Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you how to make the famous and delicious Mangalorean Chicken Ghee Roast. This recipe retains the authentic flavors of Kundapur style ghee roast chicken but uses boneless chicken instead of bone-in chicken. Though you can easily adapt it and use bone-in chicken too. Just don't skimp on the ghee. So let's get started, shall we? For making chicken ghee roast, you need 2.5 pounds of boneless chicken cut into large bite-sized pieces, 2 tablespoons coriander seeds, 2 tablespoons black peppercorn, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons fennel seeds, 16 whole baked ghee chilies, 2 tablespoons chopped ginger and 2 tablespoons chopped garlic, 1/3 cup yogurt, 1 tablespoon lemon juice or extract, 1 tablespoon ghee for marination and another half cup of ghee for curry, 1 cup of chopped onion, 20 curry leaves, 1 to 2 tablespoon jaggery powder, 2.5 teaspoons salt and 1 cup of water. Start with dry roasting the chilies for 3 to 5 minutes on medium flame till they get well roasted, and you can use a small pan to dry roast. It's usually easier to handle. I just wanted to do it all in one pan, so I used this one that I'll use for curry later too. Then in the same pan, dry roast the whole spices, coriander seeds, peppercorns, cumin seeds and fennel seeds for 3 to 5 minutes on medium flame till they get well roasted too, and set aside. Now in a mixer, add the roasted chilies first and give it a quick pulse so that they are crushed. Then to it, add the roasted whole spices, chopped ginger and garlic and 1 cup of water to grind everything together to an almost smooth paste. Some texture is okay. Then add this ground paste to the chicken, and to this add in the yogurt, lemon juice, salt, a little ghee and mix everything well. And let the chicken marinate in this masala mix for at least 4 to 6 hours. When the chicken has marinated well, in a wide bottomed pan, heat up the ghee and add in the curry leaves and let it roast lightly for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add in the chopped onions, half teaspoon salt to cook down the onions faster, and roast on medium flame for 8 to 10 minutes till the onions turn translucent. There is no need to brown the onions for ghee roast. When the onions are done, add in the marinated chicken, mix well and cook on medium flame, stirring intermittently for 30 minutes or so till the chicken is fully cooked. At first the chicken will release water, but towards the end you will have a dryish curry with ghee leaving the sides. At the halfway mark or when the chicken is almost done, add in the jaggery powder, mix it in and continue to cook till the chicken is fully done. Also, I wanted to mention here that while it's not mandatory, it's ideal to use a wide bottomed pan as mentioned in the recipe to get close to the dryish consistency of this final dish. Do you see the consistency of the curry now? That's how it should be, with the ghee leaving the sides. And there you have it. Delicious Kundapur style ghee roast chicken. Serve it with steamed rice, rotis or even neer dosa and enjoy! For the written and printable version of this recipe, check the link in the description box below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button at the bottom of this video. It really helps me out. And subscribe if you haven't already. Until I see you again, happy cooking!